Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making a whole bunch of stuff. I'm making some beef barbecue baked beans. I'm also going to be making some honey milk corn. I'm also going to be making some barbecue beef ribs. And I'm also going to be making some jalapeno poppers. And the list goes on. So let's get into it. So first I'm going to wash up and season my beef ribs. You can use pork ribs if that's what you have or prefer. So once I wash it up, I'm going to season it with my own spices, which is my It's Lit lemon pepper and my spicy girl. They balance each other out when you use them together, so that's why I use them here. And I didn't need salt because It's Lit lemon pepper has sodium, and spicy girl has a little bit but not much. It's very low in sodium, but it has a lot of flavor. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to add a little orange juice in the bottom of the pan just to, for steam and help it to cook along. Once that's in the oven, I'm going to start on my potato salad. I always start my potatoes in cold water or cool water, and it cooks faster. Once it's cooked, I'm going to drain it and allow it to cool down and chill in the refrigerator. Once that's doing that, let's work on the beans. My favorite part, that's my barbecue sauce in that container. I'm also going to use some peppers, onions, and butter, and those are my baked beans back there. Y'all, I love this little gadget so much. If you want 10% off, you can use my code Misha10, and the link will be in my description box. And these are the 2 cans of beans I'm choosing to use. You can use the brand that you prefer. And it's so easy to use. Look how it just comes right off. So I already have my ground beef going. I have nothing else added to that. It's just ground beef. And I'm going to add the onions and the peppers and the butter, some spicy girl, some salt. And I'm going to mix this up and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes just to start breaking down the peppers and the onion. I do not add a lot of seasoning or extra sugar to this recipe because my barbecue sauce is spot on and you won't need it. So if you want my barbecue sauce, make sure you check out the link in my description box to purchase it, but you don't need anything else. And if you think I'm playing, I will refund you. That's how serious I am. You don't need extra sugar or extra spices. Look, I'm telling you, you won't have baked beans better than these, okay? Make these baked beans with my barbecue sauce. If you already ordered and it's in your house, make these baked beans with my barbecue sauce. And I want y'all to comment below and let me know what y'all think. So this is what it looks like. So now let's finish up the potato salad since it's already cooled. I have eggs, I have banana peppers, regular peppers, scallions. I'm going to use mayo, relish, honey mustard, and salt. I am not adding extra sugar here as well because I have sweet relish and I have honey mustard. And so it doesn't need it. So I'm going to season this with a little bit of spicy girl, some salt, and some pepper. And that's pretty much it. I'm not making a lot of it. As you can see, it's just a little, not much at all. But it was just absolutely delicious. And I'm sorry if you guys feel like I'm rushing through the video. I don't want to bore you guys staying on each part for like 5 minutes. I feel like you still get it. But I added the peppers, the eggs, and the banana peppers and mixed that up. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. So now let's move on to the jalapeno poppers. Yes, I am going to wrap them in bacon. To my cream cheese, I'm going to add a little bit of honey. Just a little bit, just to give it that little, in the back. I'm also going to season it with my spicy girl, and I added some Monterey Jack cheese. And that's the filling, y'all. I kept it pretty simple. If you prefer a more spicy or spice-filled filling, then go ahead. So I'm just going to scrape the seeds out, stuff them, and throw them in the oven. Y'all, look at these ribs. Would you believe this only has 2 spices on here? Y'all playing. If y'all don't have my spices in y'all house, y'all playing. Y'all playing real games. Okay, that bone comes right out. That means it's nice and tender and ready to go. This is my barbecue sauce called Peach Please barbecue sauce. I love it. That's the most I can say about it. I love it. It's amazing. And I poured it in a bowl so it could be easier for me to, you know, well, the goal was to put it in the bowl and brush it on the meat. But then I ended up just pouring it on there anyway. Y'all, my brain just be all over the place. Like, I got so much going on. It's just a mess. So bear with me, y'all. But you get real peach pieces in your sauce. Every bottle has real peach pieces and pepper pieces. And you just can smear it all over your ribs. And it smells absolutely delicious. I wish y'all could smell it because it smells so good. Anyway, I'm going to pop it right back in the oven for about 10 minutes just so it could tighten up. All right, and finally, I'm going to add my corn to some milk, butter, and honey. And I'm going to allow it to cook until nice and tender, just like this. And ooh, look at that honey, y'all. It's just so added flavor and a little sweetness in the back. These are the jalapeno poppers once I took them out the oven. Some of the bacon unraveled, but that's okay. Look at the corn, y'all. The corn was probably it probably was my top 2 of what I ate on my plate. It was delicious. Once I drained the milk off the corn, I did not rinse. Do not rinse the corn, just drain it. I'm going to add some more butter, some parsley, and some Parmesan cheese. And that's pretty much it. The combination, for whatever reason, worked very, very well. And I tore it up. I tore this corn up. You hear me? So I'm going to plate everything else up and let you guys see what it looks like. So after slaving on the stove all day long, I'm finally done. And this is just a beautiful plate of food. Ladies, make this for your husband, your boyfriend, whoever you're dating. Make it for them. They'll appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye, you guys. And happy Labor Day.